Have you ever stared at the word to and suddenly thought, wait, is that right? T-W-O? Why not T-O-O? Or just T-O? And what about the word letters? Is it double T, double E? Let's dive into this spelling mystery together and make sure you never get them mixed up again. Let's start with the number 2. The one that comes after 1. It's spelled T-W-O. Think of it this way. The W is like two V's pushed together, so the number 2 has a W inside it. T-W-O. It's a unique little word, and that W is your secret clue that you're talking about the number. Now, what about T-O-O? This one means also or in addition. As in, I want to go to the park, too. It can also mean excessively, like this soup is too hot. Here is a fun way to remember it. The word T-O-O has an extra O because it is talking about something extra or in addition. Too many O's for too much stuff? Simple, right? And then there is the simplest of them all, T-O. This is a preposition we use all the time. I'm going to the store. Give the book to me. It's short, sweet, and to the point. T-O. It has the fewest letters because it's just showing direction or connection. So, a quick recap, T-W-O is the number 2. The W looks like two V's. T-O-O means also or excessively. It has an extra O for the extra meaning. T-O is for direction. It's the shortest one. Got it? 1, T-W-O, 3. All right, let's move on to our next word, letters. This one can be tricky because of those double consonants. Is it 1 T or 2? How many E's? The correct spelling is L-E-T-T-R-S. Let's break it down. It starts with L-E, easy enough. Then comes the double T. Think about a mailbox or a postman's bag. It's often filled with lots and lots of mail, right? So you need 2 T's to handle all those letters. 2 T's for a ton of text. L-E-T-T-R-S. After the double T, we have an E, then an R, and finally an S if you're talking about more than one letter. So, L-E-T-T-R-S. Say it with me slowly. Letters. Notice that E sound in the middle. L-E-T-T-R-S. Let's put it all together in a silly sentence to help it stick. 2 turtles took too many letters to the post office. Can you see it? T-W-O turtles. They took T-O-O many, an excessive amount of L-E-T-T-R-S. And where did they go? To the post office. Let's try another one. I, too, wrote 2 letters to my friend. I, T-O-O, meaning I also. Wrote T-W-O, the number 2. L-E-T-T-R-S. Spelling can feel like a puzzle sometimes, but once you find these little tricks and memory aids, it becomes so much easier and even fun. The key is to associate the spelling with the meaning. Think about the W and T-W-O for the number 2. Think about the extra O and T-O-O for also or extra. And think about the 2 T's and L-E-T-T-R-S needed to carry all that mail practice makes. Perfect? Try writing down our fun sentences a few times, or create your own. The more you use these words correctly, the more natural it will become. You'll be a spelling champion in no time. No more second-guessing yourself when you're writing an email or a text message. And that's how you spell to in its different forms, and the word letters. I hope this little guide was helpful and made things a bit clearer for you. English is full of these quirky words, but with a few simple tricks, you can master them all. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun language and spelling tips. Let me know in the comments which words you find tricky to spell. Maybe we'll tackle them in the next video. See you then.